first search. Again, best first search is logical, like DFS and BFS. Here in the problem, there will be estimation. This is what called as in the bracket, the cost value is given. So every node is having a cost, right? Estimation will be given. This is what approximation. Now, as name suggests, best first search, actually it is cheapest first search. Cheapest, that means lowest. So lowest path will be selected. That is what logic over here. So if I have A as a root node and next two nodes are B and C, so whichever node is having lowest cost from A to B, that is B node is having 25, A and C is having 28, and now lowest is 25, so I select B. So I select B. So in the best first search algorithm, our logic will be the best or lowest cost. Now remember, whenever best first search, how to identify best first search problem? In best first search problem, there will be cost will be given. Cost will be given. That is what estimation will be given. Now what is this estimation? This can be energy, time penalty, or any other type of cost that is represented, maybe distance on map. So that is what generally separation from A and C, or first node and second node. So logic is very simple. I have to select lowest of this, so my path will be optimal. My path will be having cheapest cost. That's why it is said as best first search. Now let us solve this problem. Look at the tree. Now first of all, check that whether values are given or not. Values are given or not. Now remember that even if this same tree is given for blind search, naturally this has to be eliminated, or this should not be considered, because in blind search there should not be any knowledge. So in DFS and BFS it should not be here. This indicates some knowledge is with you, some approximation is there, some cost is there, and you know all this, and you are now finding path. So that is basic difference in informed search and uninformed search. Now this is informed search and best first search algorithm. Now we have to choose every time best first, that is lowest penalty first. So let us solve. So now, like previous problem, make queues. So this will be now outgoing node. This will be previous state here. Then this is fringe. This node will come out, current state and completed state. Completed state, that means whatever I have visited. So now step 1, take new root node in the fringe. So this is our fringe, that is current state. So I am right now at A. So you are at A, in the fringe A is there, nothing is completed, no previous, because this is start node or root node. So there is nothing previously there. Nothing previously there. Give me a second. So A is here, A is taken. Now we have visited A. So A is completed. So previous state is A. Gone out node or completed node is A. So first A goes out. So previous state is A and A has gone out. Now A has to be expanded to B and C. Now here, which node has to be visited? So we have to apply logic. Now we have got two nodes B and C. Which will be selected? That is now as per logic. So we visit to B because B is having the cost 25 and C is having 28. So I will be going to the B node because it has lower cost than C. Now I am expanding B. Now rearrange the fringe. Rearrange the fringe. Obviously now see that B is going out, C is not considered, right? So C is also at last. So now we have to rearrange. So B is expanded, D, E, F and C. These are there. C is having highest value, so C is at last. So 28 will be at last. Then next lower value is 22, so D. Next value is E, which is 19, and F is having 16, right? So first I started with A, then B and C. So B was having lowest value, so B is selected, and B is now expanded. B is expanded to D, E, F, and C is there, correct? So B is currently expanded, and now we have rearranged the fringe according to the value. Here only one choice, two choices was there, so that was easy. But now this is remaining node, C is remaining node, and D, E, F are the new nodes. So we have to rearrange that F, E, D, C because F is 16, 19, 22, 28. So now let's visit to next node. That is next node is now F. So F is going out, but F is not having any children. So there will be nothing addition is here. No expansion is here. Again, we have to retain previous sorting also, that is low value sorting. So now 19 becomes first, 22 becomes second, and 28 becomes third. And no addition is there, only removal of the F because it was leaf node. Now, interestingly, next will be E to be expanded because 19 was there. So E 19 node is expanded. Now E is having JK and previous nodes are there, right? That is previous nodes are D and C, 22 and 28. So we are having 7, 6, 22, 28. So 6 is first, K, then 7 is second, 22 is third, and C is 28 at last. And now again we are at J, correct? Now K is was list, so K was on the stop, so K is removed. Remember our goal is here M, star is here, star indicates goal, so we have to go to the M. So now K was 6, so K gone away. Now J is on the top. Now J goes out, remains is the D and C, correct? So D is lowest, so D will be expanded. So D is having one children, I 9. Now what is remaining? C is 28 and I is 9. So 9 and 28. So I C. In next iteration, I should go out and we have to stand at C. Now at C, we are having two children, G, H. 10 first and then 19. So we are having G and H. Now out of this, which will be expanded? That is G. So it is having 10. So G is having two nodes M and L. M is having 0 because it is goal node. Generally goal node is having 0 penalty because you reach there, so there is no cost concept of the goal node. So M is there and now your search is completed and goal node is achieved, or you can remove goal node also, and here you can stop your search. Any questions, any doubts? Any questions, any doubts in a best first search? Any questions, any doubts? Take snap
No,
of
sir.
this example also. This is unsolved problem. Every time apply same logic, right? You start here. Now you are having C, B, and A. A is having 3, C is having 5, and B is having 6. So A, C, B. Naturally, A is going out, right? And then you are having D, E. Earlier nodes are C, B, then E and D. Again, start eliminating and go to the goal node. This is what I goal node is there. This is what key to this unsolved problem. So this is what solution given in PPT. You can check it. One more unsolved problem is there. This is actually graph where F is a star. Here possibility of multiple solution is there. This is also given in the solution.